Looking for a way to move, lift, or carry grating without putting your hands on it? Let us tell you how our GrateIt Hand Safety Tool can help. Chris Lee here with the Hand Safety Tool Company. The GrateIt Hand Safety Tool enables users to avoid injuries when maneuvering grating. It also helps improve ergonomics by reducing the need for users to bend and overreach. Serving as an extension of the user's body, the tool locks onto the grating for secure and controlled handling for users to solo or team lift grating up to 50 pounds per tool, solo or team carry grating up to 50 pounds per tool, manually raise and lower grating up to 50 pounds per tool, drag grating up to 50 pounds per tool. The tool's sliding fast-action clutch lock mechanism secures the tool to grating by capturing the grating between the head and the aluminum wear plate. The grating will not disengage from the tool until released by the user. When ready to disengage, depressing the trigger on the tool allows for easy release. The GrateIt is available in two head designs. One for standard-sized rectangular grating and one for 1-inch square grating. Custom heads are available upon request. You can learn where to get your hands on one of these tools by visiting handsafetytools.com. Remember, you'll keep your hands by keeping your hands off it.